my name is Ian, and I am going to crack my neck. Don't you like it? I'm cracking my neck. Okay, now I want to crack my nose. Now I'm going to crack my toes, if it works. Take off my shoes. Okay, so, sorry. It's gonna work. It usually just kind of works. See that? I'm cracking my toes with bare fingers. Hold on, okay. Okay. Let me get this closer. Yeah, cracking. Ooh, at least cracked my arm a bit. Ugh, can't crack my other ones. Only usually these three work. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye. Hope you liked it.